मैं सही लग रही हूँ ना? कोई बाल वाल तो नहीं दिख रहा?
परफेक्ट। मुझे ऐसे लगा कि जाके देखना चाहिए क्या है, पहले कभी नहीं देखा था इसके लिए।
कभी कोई पॉडकास्ट अटेंड किया है?
नहीं।
सो हाउ वाज योर लंच?
It was very nice. Now I'm feeling sleepy.
इस बार सोचा थोड़ा हटके करना चाहिए फॉर वुमेन्स डे।
So brain is running many things. What should I answer?
Hi everyone, this is Neha Jain. I'm a superwoman. So today we are here for a podcast for all women in choice. So mind you, this is not your average one. Let's go for it.
Hi Tejal.
Hi Sapna. Hi Muskan, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. So how was your lunch?
It was very nice. Now I'm feeling sleepy.
Hi Ruchi, how are you doing?
I'm good.
So let's start with the first question of today's podcast. So what are some of the funniest yet most frustrating stereotypes women face?
The funniest, we actually face that we are too soft and too aggressive, basically. There is no difference between, but the thing is, like, if we are so polite, then it's like we are very soft, and we are little aggressive, that we are behaving like a bossy. So I think there is, we feel it's very difficult to be a soft and aggressive.
That's right. And it's difficult to get that in place even in the corporate.
Yeah.
That as a woman, you always have to be nice and you always have to be polite. That is one of the stereotypes that women, उनको गुस्सा नहीं आ सकता है. They cannot shout. They cannot yell. They have to be sweet all the time.
My daughter will fall when she listens this.
The one of the most funniest would be how to cook perfectly.
Driving
Okay.
and maps.
So we'll go to the next one. What's the most ridiculous career advice you have ever received?
The tone down your ambitions.
That you are young right now. You can explore. You can take risk. But once you get married, तुम्हारे opportunities, everything will narrow down. So जितना explore करना है अभी कर लो explore.
One of the to not to have a career would be the one of the ridiculous advice I have received.
After marriage, after having kids, difficult हो जाएगा manage करना, तो देख लो, सोच लो अभी, या तो फिर you can quit.
So, what's one mistake that turned into a career breakthrough?
Took a project which is out of my comfort zone, and I learned many things, creativity, and then after some time I really get to know that I really love that project and have to take it forward.
That's really nice.
Well, I don't know which one to pick.
Boardroom में गई and I was blank.
So, if there was one rule about women in business you could change, what would it be?
We have to prove, as a woman, we have to prove ourselves in a talent way or other way, जो मेंस को नहीं करना पड़ता है basically.
Even after carrying a child, मतलब women के पास होनी चाहिए. They should have plenty of opportunities.
True, very true. That's the need of the hour.
Yes.
One rule in business is many people think like in a business woman should think like a woman. So I think that should be changed. Like a woman should think like a woman now.
Emotionally पहले सोचते हैं. They are not that practical thinking. तो वो change होना चाहिए. तो I think अगर वो change हो जाए, for me you are an inspiration in HR department.
Baap re. What's one stereotype about women you wish would disappear forever?
I must say the mindset about woman she can't be a good in money, business or investment decisions.
After you get married, तुम्हें काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'm the man of the house. I can earn. Why? Women can also earn for the house.
Correct. You should be independent enough.
Yes.
To stay at home.
Before we call it a wrap, so here's one question for you. What's one stereotype about women you wish would disappear forever? We've asked so many questions to our women of choice, but this one is for you. Do comment in the comment section down below. And if you find this podcast relatable, do like and share with your friends. Thank you.